Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you First Latitude Credit Card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you've been borrowing around for ways to patch up a bruised credit score, you have probably run across the First Latitude Secured MasterCard. Now on paper, it looks like a pretty sweet deal because it completely bypasses the traditional hard credit check and welcome people with poor credit or a thin file with open arms. Now they offer a couple of different tiers here, like their platinum asset version with features a $0 annual fee, and their platinum elite version, which costs around like $29 a year in exchange for a slightly lower ongoing interest rate. They even throw in the rewards program here that gives you up to like 10% cash back at a few select merchants and a baseline 1% back when you make payments toward your balance. Because it reports your habits to all three major credit bureaus, it gives you the fundamental tools to start pushing your score in the right direction. However, if you pull back the curtains here and check a few things, well, this card carries some major day-to-day headaches that you may want to know. That makes it really tough pill to swallow. Now, because it is a secured card, you have to front your own cash as a security deposit to establish your credit line, which is a standard practice here, so nothing new there. Now, in this case, the real nightmare or the real headache that actually kicks in is with their archaic payment processing system. Now, a ton of card holders report that when you pay your bill, First Latitude can take anywhere from a week or to a full 14 days to actually post that cash to your account. During that massive lag time here, your available credit is totally frozen. So if you haven't been paying your bills weeks ahead of schedule here, the slow processing can easily trigger accidental late fees and interest charge, which completely defeats the purpose of trying to build a clean credit here. Now, in this case, if you're going to ask if it's honestly worth it, well, the direct and pretty firm answer here is it depends. Now, in this case, if you are trying to build your credit here and let's just say no other institutions or banking or any banks here is not accepting your application, this may be a good fallback plan. So maybe a last solution or a last option for you. So in this case, if you do have other options, you're better off using those other options. Now, while the zero fee secured card with cashback sounds great at first glance here, the technical glitches and the risks of getting hit with a late due fee due to their slow backend system just may not be worth the stress here. But yeah, so if you have the cash ready for a security deposit here, you are a million times better off putting that money into maybe other platforms that may fit you. But at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to try it for yourself. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.